Good morning, dear students. Yesterday we saw how to form the simple present tense. Today we will learn how to write simple past tense or past indefinite. Only thing we have to do is we have to write the past tense of the verb. In the present tense, we wrote the base form of the verb in the simple present tense, and in the past tense, we have to write the past tense of the verb. So here I have written the example using the same verb. We had used the verb sleep in the present tense. I sleep on the bed. He, she, it sleeps on the bed in the simple present tense. But in the simple past, we write the past tense of the verb sleep, that is slept. So I slept on the bed. We slept on the bed. You slept on the bed. He slept on the bed. She slept on the bed. It slept on the bed. They slept on the bed. What we notice here is only there is a change of present tense to past tense of the verb, and there is nothing other can be noticed. No other change can be noticed other than the base form of the verb changing to past tense. Now we have simple future tense. So making a comparative study, it will clarify all your doubts. Now we have learned simple present tense, simple past tense. Now let us see simple future tense, or it is also known as future indefinite tense. So in the future tense, when we hear it is future, we have to use shall or will. Along with the first person singular and plural. First person singular and plural are I and we. Along with I and we, in the normal conversation we use shall. I shall sleep, and we use the first form of the verb. Shall or will, and we use the first form of the verb. How do we know that it is a future tense? By the use of shall or will. So I shall sleep on the bed. We shall sleep on the bed. Rest of the pronouns, along with the rest of the pronouns, we use will. So you will sleep on the bed. He will sleep on the bed. She will sleep on the bed. It will sleep on the bed. And they will sleep on the bed. So that is the way we write future indefinite tense. So we have already learned simple present tense, simple past tense, simple future tense. Now sometimes in our sister we see I will do, or we will, or you shall, he shall, etc. So we exchange and write only to show the emphasis. When I say I shall do it, I may not be emphasizing it, and there is no surety. But when I say I will do it, it shows the surety. But in the normal conversations, we supposed to use along with I and we shall, and along with you, he, she, it, and they will. So this is the way to write the future tense. Now we will learn present continuous tense. So the next form of tense is present continuous tense. In the present continuous, when we say present tense and continuous tense make use of ing form of verbs. Any continuous tenses. Continuous tenses, when we say, always there will be ing form of verbs. And whenever there is ing form of verbs, we always have helping verbs. So these two things you have to keep in mind when we write continuous tenses. Any continuous tenses will have ing form of verb, and when there is ing form of verb, we will have helping verbs along with them according to the number and the person of the pronouns. Alright? So here it is present tense, so the helping verbs will be in present tense. Then we will use the ing form of the verb. We will use the same verb sleep. So we have here I, along with I, helping verb is am. I am sleeping on the bed. We is plural, therefore along with the ing form of the verb we have the helping verb are. We are sleeping on the bed. You singular as well as plural, we use the helping verb are. So you are sleeping on the bed. He, she, it, third person singular, we use is. So he is sleeping on the bed, she is sleeping on the bed, and it is sleeping on the bed. They is plural, therefore we use are. So they are sleeping on the bed. This is the way we write present continuous tense. Rest of the tenses I'll teach you in the next class. And you have homework. Homework is use verbs eat and sing in simple present, simple past and simple future and present continuous tense. All that I have taught you till today. And I'll check them on Monday. Children, those who are coming to the school, whether you are attending now online classes or you are in the school. If you are coming to the school, even for the first time, you have to complete these homework and come. And I'll check them on Monday.